Thank you, Madam Speaker. In January of 2023, this government bought an unfinished hotel for $34.5 million. Multiple consultants warned this government that the Hogan Court Hotel was not suitable for a healthcare facility, and I'll table that. Yet this government doubled down, defending the project at every turn for over a year, even when renovation costs surpassed $17 million, and the AG slammed both the decision and the process. The Premier said he would not apologize for investing in Hogan Court. Now the government has a plan to sell and run from the boondoggle that is this hotel. Madam Speaker, does the Premier still think the original purchase of Hogan Court by this government was a good idea?
The Honourable Premier.
100%, 1,000%. I would double down, I would triple down, I would quadruple down, because sometimes in government you have to take a step. You have to move forward. You have to create that momentum and inertia. This is a good thing for Nova Scotians, and I'm proud that we are part of it, Madam Speaker.
The Leader of the New Democratic Party on her first supplementary.
Among other searing criticisms, the Auditor General's report found that this government had inappropriately awarded a nearly $70 million contract for the management of the Hogan Court facility without tender or a proper process. The same company will now be purchasing the hotel, and it's been reported that, quote, funding for construction would follow a similar model to what is used with long-term care homes. According to the Auditor General's report and other folks, mortgage costs are built into the long-term rate model, and I'll table that. And so I'd like the Premier to confirm, did we just sell this building to a private company and commit to paying their mortgage?
I recognize the Honourable Premier.
I think Nova Scotians know we need more beds in this province, and we need the appropriate. We need the appropriate level of care at the appropriate time. I remember the NDP party being very negative on this situation and saying that we overpaid on this transaction. We paid too much, Madam Speaker. That was their negative rhetoric of the day. But you know who didn't think we paid too much? The market, when they paid even more and said, we can take care of that, we can get those beds done for you. And I'm very proud that they did.
I recognize the Leader of the New Democratic Party on her final supplementary.
The market saw an opportunity to get a free piece of land and let the government pay their mortgage.
That's right.
Also in the Auditor General's report, the now scrapped Bayers Lake Transitional Care Facility was originally anticipated to be a 200-bed facility. Hogan Court was supposed to have 80. Now, despite overpaying millions for an unfinished hotel, paying a developer's tax bill, millions in construction and advisory costs, and now subsidizing a private company to run a new sector of our healthcare system, Nova Scotians are left with 44% fewer beds than were planned and victoriously announced. Is this what the Premier means by more, faster?
I recognize the Honourable Premier.
Thank you, Madam Speaker. It's a public-private partnership, and it's a good one. It'll be more care, and it will be faster, and I will stand by this transaction every single day. We have to change the way we do things. And the NDP and their negative view of the world, they don't want anything to change, but we do, because we want more care and we want it faster for Nova Scotia. And that's what we'll deliver on.